If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Now I already have a Meet the Bags video on this for the original style. This is the modified style of the Fun Bobby convertible backpack. This one I have modified, so it only has this one removable strap, which also works as a crossbody strap. So I have added a crossbody strap into this and changed how the backpack straps are. This is by far, even though it's not a baby bag, but I make it for all the new babies coming into the world. It is just the best baby bag in the world. This is what it looks like on the back. So it's decent. And all you do is take the crossbody strap, make it as wide as it can, hook it onto this D-ring, feed it through the O-ring and clip it onto the other side. And then of course you can take that off, make it whatever size you want, whether you want it to be a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag, and then click it into the side D-rings, and then you got a crossbody bag. It's got this amazing, almost 3D like pocket right here, a very, very large zipper pocket. Two generous slip pockets on the sides. On the back, you have a large pocket that goes all the way through. And then on the inside, it's got like a really unique zipper, how it kind of comes down and around. I just love the shape of this bag. And when you open it up, we have a zipper pocket on one side and two slip pockets on the other. And look how deep that is. This is a huge bag. Again, perfect for a travel bag or a baby bag or what have you. Anyways, if you would like one of these and you're one of my clients, you know what to do. All my information is down below in the description. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, until the next one, bye.